Good day, traders. It is Oscar Carboni. This is video 927. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and how are you? Traders, this video is being filmed on Sunday night. It's for trading Monday. That would be October 8th, 2012. We are going to look at the grain markets because we have a small holiday here in the United States, Columbus Day. And on this day, our banks are closed, and some of our interest markets are closed. And we are going to look at grains and not so much at the emini S&P. So this video is about grains for trading on Monday. Traders, as we know, futures trading can be extremely risky and cause substantial financial loss. If you do not understand the risks behind trading, if you do not recognize that a stop is your best friend, please know that futures trading is not suitable for all trading accounts and is very risky. All right, traders, you are looking at the corn market. This is a daily bar chart. We have mentioned that we thought the corn topped out weeks ago now. Corn has absolutely topped out since we called for the top up here. And now here we are all the way down here. Look at corn down, down, down. And it looks like it wants to move even lower. So we are absolutely sellers of rallies and will be looking to sell the corn on a rally for Sunday night through Monday. That would be October 8th. So here you are, the corn chart, corn daily, big rounded topping tool. Looks to me like the top is in. I think we continue lower. You could argue that right here you have some sort of a flag. But you know what? I don't think it's going to work. I think what you'll get in the end is a market that goes lower, not higher, as it's staying true to our topping tool here. So we expect the corn to move lower, and we are looking to sell the rallies for trading on Monday. There's your corn market. Let's look at others. Traders, the soybeans market. Soybeans looking very heavy again for trading Sunday and Monday. We expect that the soybeans will come down. We are going to sell soybeans on a small rally after it opens, and we expect soybeans to move much lower. So watch for the downside in your soybeans. Here is where we think it's going to fail, and then we expect it to just break lower and stay inside this channel trend and make its way down here to the bottom end of the channel. That's what we're looking for, and that's what we would expect this week. Certainly Monday and Tuesday, it will start off trying to go down, and then we'll see what happens. There are your soybeans traders. Come to livewithoscar.com. Check out the daily OMNI recommendations, and you will see that we are certainly looking to sell soybeans for Sunday night. Into Monday, let's look at a few other markets here. Traders, your wheat market, the daily bar chart, even wheat looks like it wants to move lower. There was some time that we were all looking at this as a big bull flag, but it's lasted so long now that I think it will simply just morph into something different. It could in turn end up being a big bull flag, but that's not what we expect. We expect that it probably will work its way lower with the rest of the grains. Look, even if it is a bull flag, we're day traders. We're looking to sell it down to here. That would be a wonderful, wonderful day trade if we can get that out of it, and then we'll move forward. So trading wheat for Sunday night through Monday, October 8th, we are looking for the downside in wheat, and we'll be selling rallies. Then there is oats. Traders, the oat market on a daily bar, very much like the corn market and like the soybeans, looks like it certainly has had its run and wants to start to move lower. We'd expect that it will move lower at some point and stay inside of this trend channel and work its way lower. I think once you see it get lower than this area here, it will finally have broken down. As you can see, this area has been support from here all the way over. So once you get past this lower area, I think then you start to break down and the market just continues. So there is oats, and oats is looking bearish as well. Traders, don't forget, the soybeans market is the one most favorable for the downside. It is what we are looking to sell. I will keep you posted at the site livewithoscar.com as we progress with these trades. Remember, we're going to stay away from the S&P. We're going to stay away from the NASDAQ at least tonight into Monday. We'll let the markets do what they're going to do. If, in fact, we get a wonderful signal, we'll trade it. Otherwise, we will short beans, we will short corn, we will short wheat, and we will try to short oats any of those that setup we are looking to go with. Traders, remember to use your stops. Remember to keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is remember to say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you for coming. Watch out for the downside in your soybeans. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.